Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the best beauty products to help you look and feel your best. If you've ever struggled with dry, frizzy, or chemically treated hair, you're probably already familiar with the endless search for a shampoo that truly makes a difference. Today, we're going to talk about the Sebastian Professional Drench Shampoo, a product designed to hydrate and nourish even the most damaged hair. But does it live up to the hype? Stick around as we dive in and see if it's worth adding to your routine. Sebastian Professional Drench Shampoo is a liquid formula that promises to deep moisturize dry, frizzy, and chemically treated hair. The brand is known for its salon-quality hair care, and this product is no exception. It's targeted at individuals with dry or damaged hair, especially those who've undergone chemical treatments like coloring, perming, or relaxing. The shampoo claims to deeply hydrate and restore moisture balance, leaving your hair feeling softer and more manageable. Now let's talk about how this shampoo actually performs in real life. When I first tried it, I noticed how thick the formula was compared to other shampoos. It doesn't lather up as much as some others, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. It's clear that this product is designed for more intense hydration, so you don't need a huge amount to coat your hair. The scent is subtle, which I appreciate. It's not overpowering, but it does have that professional salon fragrance that makes you feel like you're getting a premium treatment. As I massaged it into my hair, I could immediately feel how smooth it made my strands. After rinsing, my hair didn't feel stripped or dry, which is a big win for me. It actually felt soft, even before applying conditioner, and the frizz was noticeably reduced. I was really impressed with how it made my hair feel both moisturized and lightweight, which is often a struggle for products targeting dry or damaged hair. After using this shampoo for a few weeks, I started to notice a difference in the overall health of my hair. It definitely helped to restore moisture, and my hair felt more manageable. While it doesn't completely transform your hair overnight, it does deliver noticeable hydration that builds over time. I wouldn't call it a miracle product, but it's definitely a solid go-to if you're looking for deep moisture without feeling weighed down. Let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, this shampoo is excellent for hydrating dry hair. It also works really well for chemically treated hair, which is something I've struggled with in the past. The texture is thick and nourishing, and it doesn't strip your hair of its natural oils. On the downside, some might find that it doesn't lather as much as they're used to, which could be a downside for those who prefer a rich, foamy experience. It's also on the pricier side, so if you're looking for a budget-friendly option, you may need to consider other alternatives. Now, is this shampoo worth the price? If you're someone with seriously dry or chemically treated hair, I would say it is. It does what it promises in terms of hydration and moisture restoration, and you get a professional-grade product for your money. However, if you're on a tighter budget, there are definitely cheaper options that still hydrate, though they may not perform at the same level as Sebastian. When comparing it to other shampoos in the same category, I'd say the performance is on par with other high-end, moisture-focused formulas. But what sets it apart is how it feels in the hair: light, not greasy, and deeply moisturizing without being heavy. If you've tried other hydrating shampoos and felt they left your hair weighed down or greasy, this one may be a better fit for you. As for build quality, the packaging is standard for a professional shampoo. Nothing too flashy, but practical and easy to use. It's also worth noting that the product doesn't contain any sulfates, which is great for anyone looking to avoid harsh chemicals, especially after a color treatment. Over time, the product seems to hold up well, and the results remain consistent with continued use. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you are itching to get it, the link is in the comments. In terms of customer support, I haven't had to reach out to Sebastian directly, but the brand is known for its reliable customer service in the industry. Their professional products are generally backed by a solid reputation for addressing customer inquiries. So if you ever need assistance, you should be in good hands. As far as updates go, there haven't been any major changes to this product recently. If you're familiar with Sebastian's products, you know that they tend to maintain their quality without needing to constantly change their formulas, which I think is a good thing. Consistency is key for people who rely on these products for their hair care routines. If you're on the hunt for a more affordable alternative, there are definitely shampoos out there that offer hydration and moisture. For example, the OGX Renewing Plus Argan Oil of Morocco shampoo is a budget-friendly option that offers similar benefits, although it may not be quite as hydrating as the Sebastian Professional Drench Shampoo. In conclusion, the Sebastian Professional Drench Shampoo is a fantastic choice if you're looking for a shampoo that deeply moisturizes dry or chemically treated hair. It's especially great for anyone who wants their hair to feel soft, nourished, and frizz-free without the heaviness of some other moisturizers on the market. If you have dry or damaged hair and you want to give it some love, this could be a great addition to your routine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.